Good morning, friends. Today we'll minimize the logical function by using a K-map. Now here two functions are given in these questions. We want to minimize these two functions. After minimization, whatever the output equation, for that output equation we need to design the circuit diagram. Now first thing is, we already seen the steps for designing the K-map. Now first thing is, you need to identify the number of variable. So here I am considering the first function. Now for the first function, how many number of variables are given? Total 3 variables are given. So I can design the 3 variable K-map. Here first step is, you have to design the K-map as per the number of variable. Then assign the positions of variable. If you change the positions of variable, according to that your sales value will get changed. Next step is, you need to assign the variable value. So the variable value for two variable is 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. See, this is not a normal binary number sequence. It is a gray code sequence which has the one bit change in their preceding and succeeding number. Now only one variable, so the value of variable C is 0 and 1. Next step is, you have to assign the sales value. So as per the positions of your variable, you need to assign the sales value. You can write down the sales value here at rightmost corner, upper corner. So the value for these cells is A, B and C, all having a 0 value. So the sales is 0. In this case 0 0 and 1, value of C is 1. So this sales decimal value is 1. Now in this way, 0 1 0, so it is 2. 0 1 1, it is a 3 decimal value. 1 0 0 4. Now for this case, if you consider A is 1, B is 1 and C is 0, so it is 1 1 0, so that is nothing but 6. For this case 1 1 1 triple 1, so it is 7. For this case it is a 5 1 0 1, so it is nothing but 5. Next step is, you need to mount the max terms or min terms as per the given function. So the given function is in the form of SOP, so we need to mount the min term. So the value, now this is a sales, okay, so the value of this sales is 1. See, second function is a POS function, so these are the sales which having a value is 0, because for min terms we are mounting a high values, that is 1, and for max terms we are mounting the 0 value in a K-map. So the cell number 0 having a high value, cell number 5 having a cell number 2 having a high value, and cell number 5 having a high value. Next thing is, you have to make groups. Now always think, while making a group, you can make a group of only adjacent cells. You cannot make a group of diagonal cells. So for every cells having in three variable K-map, every cells having a 3 adjacent cells. In 4 variable K-map, every single cells having 4 different adjacent cells. Now if I am considering the examples of 7 number cell, it having adjacent cells is 3, 6 and 5. So while making a group of this, we need to consider the is any adjacent cells having a same high value, so we can club them together for making a larger group. Because if it is a total number of cells are 4, then 8, then we can make a group of maximum 8 cells. Otherwise we can make a group of 4 cells, otherwise we can make a group of 2 cells, or otherwise we can make a group of single individual cells. If it is a 4 variable K map, for that purpose we can have the maximum group of 16 cells. But always while making a group, you need to consider the maximum value or maximum cells in a group. So is it possible in this case to make a group of 8 cells? No, because only 3 cells having a high value. Then go for the next one. Is it possible? No, because only 3 cells having a high values. We cannot make a group of 3 cells, because we know that we can make a group of only 8 cells, 4 cells, 2 cells or 1 cell. So go for the 2. Can we make a group of 2 adjacent cells? Yes, because here if you observe 0 and 2, both are adjacent to each other. So we can make a group of these 2 cells, and then we can assign the group number. Group number, it is easy. If you are assigning a group number, then it is easy to calculate the final reduce equations, because from group number we can say that if there are n number of groups in your K map, then in final equation n terms are required, either it is in POS form or either it is in POS form. So for this example, first group is this. Now second, now observe the high cells, cells which contain the high values, and try to cover it into a, or try to make a group of high cells. But here in this case 5 is a cells where 4 and 7 is a adjacent cells, and they don't have the high values. Again, one number cells is adjacent to the 5 because due to this. Okay, but it is again not possible to make a group of these cells, so we can make a group of single individual cells in this case. Now this is a group second. So from that one we can say that, so next step, if after making a group you need to calculate the final reduce equation. For calculations of final reduce equation, consider the number of terms. How many groups are in this case? We are having a 2 groups, so minimum 2 terms will be in our reduce equation. Now calculate the value of first group. Now in this case, how many columns are there? So first and second columns. And how many rows are considered for this group? Only a single row. Now what is the value of A and B? So these 2 columns where the value of A and B is present. Now consider the first variable A. In both cases the value of A is A is 0. So we can have the A bar, because this is a SOP form. In SOP form, if it is the variable value is 0, then we are writing the bar negation. If in POS form, if the value of variable is 1, then we are writing the bar. Next thing, the value of B is 0 and 1. Now the value of B is 0 and 1, so both are different. So B has 2 different value. So as per the rule, we can say that if the value of variable is different, then that particular variable is eliminated. That particular variable is get eliminated from the term. So this B variable get eliminated. Actually elimination is nothing but its value is 1, and we are not writing into 1 here, so it is similar. So we are considering it is a eliminated. Then the value of, for this particular group, the value of C is 0. Again C is 0. So A bar into C bar. This is the first term. Now plus sign, because it is where we need to write down the final equation into a SOP form. By default form of your K map is a SOP form. If it is function, it is not mention any sign, then you can consider a SOP form. Then next group, only one variable. So what is the value of that variable? A is 1, B is 0. That's why we require B bar. And C is again for this For this group only this row is considered, so the value of C is 1. Now this is our final equation from this K map. Now we want to design the circuit diagram for the reduced equation. Now while designing the circuit diagram, first basic thing, how many variables are given, you have to write down the negation part of that. By using a NOT gate, you have to design the negations of each and every variable in this way. So for if you follow this method, you can easily design the circuit diagram for any function. Now for first function, what are the variable A bar and C bar? So this is A bar and this is C bar. So first AND gate. Now in second AND gate, what we require? A, B bar and C. So this is your second AND gate, and for both AND gates we are require plus sign, and it is indicated by the OR gate. With the help of OR gate we can design the final equation, that is F. So in this way you can design the circuit diagram for any function. It is very simple. Just you have to consider how many inputs required for a particular gates, you can assign it. Now second function. First thing again same, for designing a K map, how many number of variables are given? Total variables are 3. So you have to design K map for the 3 variable. See, whatever the K map we are considering here, this is a horizontal K map. You can consider the vertical K map is there, but if you are considering the vertical K map, what will be the happen? The sales value is get change. Now here I am considering only one variable due to only two values 0 and 1. Here I am considering B and C. So and as per the positions of variable, the sales numbers also get changed. So it is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 6. So you can consider any, either horizontal or vertical. I think so our horizontal K map is easy for the designing purpose and for the calculating the reduced equation. So next time is value of variable as per the, if it is two variable, then we need to assign the gray code sequence. Here one variable, then we are considering 0 and 1. Then after that assign the value of sales. So same kind of K map we are considering. So this sales value is same 6, 7, 4, 5. Now identify the function. Given function is in a POS form. So instead of high values, whatever the sales are given in a function, for that respective sales we are putting the 0 value. So the 0 for the second sale, 0 for the 6 number sales and 0 for the 7 number sales. Next part is make a group of sale. So here the group of, first start with the 8 sales maximum, first try maximum sales, not possible, only 3 sales having a 0 value, 4 sales not possible, group of 2 sales, yes. From here you can identify easily this is a 2 adjacent sales, and we can make a group of these 2 adjacent sales easily. Then 7 number sales, remaining sales which having a 0 values here, 7 number sales. So is any adjacent cells of 7 having a 0 value? From this we can easily say that 6 number cells is adjacent to the 7 and it is having a 0 value. So we can make a group of 2 cells with a 6 and 7. Now this is a 0 because what? The given function is a pi of m. So it is a POS function. So for POS functions we are considering as a max terms, and for max terms the cells value is 0 and we are making a group of 0 only in a K map. Now here there are two groups. Now from that two groups you can identify that max term 6 or cell number 6, which is also used in first group and which is also considered in a second group. So we can say that from this example we can say that the overlapping of cells is allowed in a K map. We can use the if it is this cells is having a 0 value, then again we can make a group of these two cells. So the overlapping is possible in a K map while making a group. So now final equations. Now first thing keep in your mind, we need to write down the final equation in POS form, not into a SOP form. So first consider first group where the value, these two columns are considered and only one row is there. So the value of A is 0 and 1. So the value of A is different. So we need to eliminate the A variable. Either it is in SOP form or POS form. If the value of variable is different, then that particular variable is get eliminated. Eliminated is nothing but its by default value is 1. Now the value for B is in both column case 1 1. Why we are choosing these two column? Because this group contain only these two column. So the value of B is 1 1. So while writing a 1, now consider keep in your mind this is a max term. So for if it is an POS function, so if it is the value of variable is 1, then we are writing the bar. Now plus second is C is equal to 0, so we are writing a C is equal to 0. So this is your first term. This is a POS form, so into. Then consider the second group. In second group the value of A is 1 and the value of B is 1. Now observe the second group. Second group is a vertical group where the first group is a horizontal group. So what happened in vertical group, the both rows are considered and only one column is considered. So the value of A and B is value of A is 1, that's why bar, plus value of B is 1, that's why bar. Now value of C, so both rows are considered and the value of C is 0 and 1 is different. So we need to eliminate the C variable from this term. So the final equation is A bar plus B bar into C bar plus C. By using the same logic while designing a circuit diagram, you can use the same logic and you can design the circuit diagram of for this case. Instead of AND OR gate, here you require the AND gate. The positions of AND gate and OR gate will be replaced. Remaining things will be same. So this is examples for 3 variable K map. Now we'll see the examples for 4 variable K map for SOP functions and POS function. Now the question is, minimize the following logic functions using a K map and draw the output. Now first identify the how many variables are given in a function. 4 variable. So I am considering a first functions and I am designing the K map for the 4 variable. So how many cells we require in 4 variable? We require total 16 cells. We require total 16 cells. Now write down the positions of your variables. You can change the positions of variables, but again same thing, if you change the positions of variable, according to that your sales value will get changed. So I am considering this 0 0, again the value of variable 1 1 1 0 as per gray code sequence. Then write down the value of sales in decimal form. So if you are considering in this way, you can write down the value of, now here 1100, so it is nothing but your 12. 1101, it is 13. 11 and 11, so it is nothing but 15. 0 to 15 sales are there. This is your 14, this is 8, 9. You need to calculate it. Once you calculate it, after, if you are having a practice of designing K-map, then you can directly, there is no need to calculate repeatedly, you can directly write down it. So that's why I am telling follow any one pattern always, so it is easy to write down the sales value. Now next thing is we need to identify the function given in a SOP form. So these are the mean terms and the value for this, and this sales content, the value is 1. So write down for 0 is 1, 1 is, sorry, here the sale value is 3 and the sales value is 2. Then 1, 2 is 1, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 8 cells contain the high values. Now next thing is we need to make a group. So try for the maximum sales. Is it possible to make a group of 8 cells? Sorry, 16 cells? No, because only 8 cells having high values and 8 cells. Okay, now group of 8 cells, yes, it is possible. See, these are, it is a vertical group we can say, and we can easily make a group of these 8 cells. So one group. Is any other cells which contain the high values? No, because in a single group of 8 cells all high values are covered. Our aim is in K-map, whatever the number of cells which contain the high values, which we need to cover these high, or cover these cells which contain the high values, either in a group of 16 cells, 8 cells, 4 cells, 2 cells, or if they're having a individual cells which contain the high values, if it is in SOP form, then we need to cover, we want to cover all the high values in a K-map. So in this case, within a one group all cells are covered. So the final equation is, now how many columns are considered for this group? These 2 columns. How many rows are there for these 2 columns? All 4 rows. Now check here what is the value then. Now the value for A is, in both cases, both column, the value of A is 0 0. So I am writing here A, but it is a SOP form, so in SOP we are writing a negation for 0 value. Now for B, 0 1, so 0 1 get eliminated. Now the value for C and D variable. Now first we consider the first 2 values, these 2 values, and then we are calculating the values for this remaining 2. rows, because for this particular group all 4 rows are considered. Now see here, for first 2 rows the value of D is 0 and 1, so it get eliminated, and the value of for first 2 rows the value of C is 0. Then consider the next 2 rows, the value of D is again 1 and 0 different, so the D variable get eliminated, and the value for C is 1 1. In both cases is same, that is 1 1. Now for first 2 rows the value for C is 0, and for next 2 rows the value of C is 1. Again 0 and 1 different, so both are get eliminated. So both variable is get eliminated. So the final equations is F is equal to A bar. Now keep in your mind, when the vertical group is there and if all rows are included in a particular group, then that both variable, downside variable will get eliminated. If the horizontal group of cells, so the horizontal variable get eliminated. Fine, then you can easily design the circuit for A bar. So the circuit for this is very simple. A bar. Now consider the second function. Again from equations we require the 4 variable K map. So I am going to design 4 variable K map. Similar process, I am always following the same pattern where the value is variable values is like gray code. So see here it is very easy, then I don't need to recall the decimals value. I can directly put here now. Given function is SOP, summation of M SOP. So these mean terms having a high values. Now put the high values for respective cells: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Again 8 cells having a high value, so start with the maximum group of cells. Is it possible to make a group of 8 cells? No. Sorry, 16 cells? No. Is it possible to make a group of 8 cells? Yes. Here in this case group of 8 cells are there which having high values, and this is again a vertical group we can make like in previous case. So from that one, again it's a vertical group, so C and D directly get, because all 4 rows are considered in this group, and so that's why C and D get eliminated. Now consider the value of A and B. So the value of A is for these 2 column is 1 1, so it's a 1 A, and the value of B is 1 0, so 1 0 is different, and so that's why the 1 and 0 get cancelled. That's why the B is get cancelled. So the final equations is A. So the function is you are nothing but the A variable. So this is a minimize of logical functions using K-map for a 4 variable. We'll see the some others examples. Now consider this example A, B, C, where the mean 3 functions are given, and all 3 functions require the 3 variable K map. So first I am considering the A variable one first, and then I am going to design it. Next, assign the decimal value. Now next step is put this is mean terms, so put the high values. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in this example we'll get two different kinds of output. How it is, now we'll see. First we need to make a group. Now while making a group, see here it is a vertical group, so we can, is it possible to make a group of 8 cells because total number of cells are 8? So not possible. Then go for the group of 4 cells. Is it possible? No. Then group of 2 cells? Yes. See here, there are 5 mean terms or the 5 cells which having high values, but no 4 cells adjacent cells are there, so we cannot make a group of 4 cells here. So easily we can make a group of 2 cells. Any other group of 2 cells? Yes. So this is vertically we can say another group. Again for this case only one cells is remaining and that is contain high cells. The adjacent cells for this is 3, so we can club together, so we can make a group of 1 and 3. See here again 3 cells is used for 2 times in this group and this group. But while designing the group, some maybe consider instead of this, if it is remaining one, so some may consider this adjacent group. It may be happen that, so either or again I am considering this 3, number 3. So either you can merge these cells with the 5 number, because 5 number cells is again the adjacent to the 1 number cell. So either you can make a group of these cells or either group of these cells. So any one you can consider, no problem. So final equation is, now consider the first one. So the vertical group is there, the value of A and B is, A is 0, that's why A bar, B is 1 and the value of C is 0, 1 get eliminated. Again vertical group, the value of A is 1 and the value of B is 0 because for these two case, and the value of C is 0 and 1, so C variable get eliminated. Now consider this is I am considering these combinations of this one. So the value of, for this group, these two columns are considered and this single row is considered. So for these two column, 0, value of A is 0 and 0, so A bar, value of B is 0 and 1, so 0 and 1, so it get eliminated, and the value for C third variable is 1, so it is C. So the final equation having 3 terms because we are making a 3 group. If you are making this group as an extra, what will be the happen while if you are considering this group, in this group A is already covered and in this group 1 is already covered in this group and 5 is already covered in this group. Overlapping is possible in case of in a K map, but only when if a single cells which are not covered earlier in any other group. In that case, if you are considering this group number is 4, what will be the happen? Both cells are already covered in some other group, so we cannot consider this one. If it is not covered, then we are considering either for this group, if you cancel this A bar C 1 and 3 cells, then we having this group of these two adjacent cells, and the value is for first column and last column, the value of A is 0 and 1 get eliminated, and the value for B is 0, 0, so it's a B bar, and the value for C is 1, so it's a B bar into C. So either you can consider this one, that's why two outputs, either these first three variables or these two terms are common. Either you can consider these terms or either you can consider this one, but there could not be a 4 group, only there would be only 3 groups, final 3 groups in this equation. Fine. Again, second example. So 3 variable K map. Put the variable positions, assign the gray code sequence. This is a single variable, so the value of this is 0 and 1. Next step is decimal value of sales. So same pattern I am using here, so same value. Then consider the function, SOP function, put the high values for respective sales 5 and 7, 0, 2, 5 and 7. Next step is make a group. In this case, can we make a group of 8 cells? Not possible. Group of 4 cells. See here, these 4 cells, out of 8 cells, 4 cells having high values, but all these 4 cells are not adjacent to each other, so we cannot make a group of 4 cells. So instead of that, go for the second 2 cells. Now it is easy. From that one we can say we can make a group of these 2 cells and we can make a group of 2 cells. So now in this case there is no any overlapping while making a group of cells, and in this 2 group all high values are covered. So we can write down the equation for first group. How many columns are there? 2 columns and only 1 row is considered. So the value of A and B variable is, for these 2 columns, A is 1 0 0, so 0 0 means A bar. B is 0 1, 0 1 means get eliminated. Now the third variable, C variable, value is 0, so it's considered as a C bar plus. Because of SOP functions, because of this function SOP, we have to write down the final equation in a SOP form. Now second group, these 2 columns are considered and this single row is considered for this particular group. Now the value for A and B for these 2 columns, A is 1 both cases, again B is 1 0, so B get cancelled. For these cases, value of for this row, the value of C is 1, so it is A into C. So this is a final reduce equation or minimize equation for function 2. Now third functions. Again in third functions we are getting a 2 outputs like this one. Now how it is, we'll find out. Again 3 variable, so we need to design the 3 variable K map. Assign the value, then same patterns I am using here. So 0 1 2 3 6 7 4 5. Now consider the min terms. So here 1 for 0 number, 2 3 4 5 and 7. So out of 8, 6 cells having a high values. Now next step, we want to make a group. Now here also, it is possible to make a group of 8 cells? No, because 6 and 1 don't have any high values. It does not have high cells. Yes, is it possible? So here total 6 cells are containing high values, but if you identify carefully, then no 4 cells, adjacent cells, contain the high value. So see here, if it is 6 having high values, so we can say it is easily a group of 4 cells. Either if one number cells is having a high value, then from that one we can also say that easily it's a group of 4 cells. But there is no 4 adjacent cells are having a high value, so instead of 4 we can make a group of 2 cells. Here first group, here second group, and here third group. So not more than 3 terms should be in your final equation. See, someone can consider a group of, while considering making a group, so someone may consider this is one group, this is a second group, and this is a third group. So 2 equations. So I am writing by, so 2 outputs equations you can write. So some of the, for first black groups, first black group having this group, so value of A is A bar, A 0, so A bar, 0 1 get eliminated, and the value of C is 0, that's why C bar. Second group black, so the value of A is 0 1 get eliminated, and the value of B is 1 1, so it's a, for this case the value of C is 1. Next third, the value of A and B is A, and B, for B is 0, that's why bar, and the value of C is 0 and 1, so it get eliminated. So this is the first output equation. Second output equation, consider the first group is this one. So the value of A and B is, A is 0, so A bar, and B is 1, so it's a B, and the value of C variable is 0 and 1, so get eliminated. Now plus consider this group, second group. So in this case 2 columns are considered. So first a value of A is 1 and the value of B is 1 0 get eliminated. In this case only one row is considered and the value of that row is C. Next third, so these two adjacent 0 and 4, group of 0 and 4 cells. So the value, this first column and second last column is considered. So the value of A is 0 and 1 get eliminated. Value of B is 0 0. So 0 0 means B bar, and only one row is considered. So for this case, so the value for this row is 0, for C is 0, and for 0 it's a C bar. Now here these are the two output equations. So either you can consider these output equations or you can write down this output equation. Both are valid. Both are considered as valid equations. So such kind of problems will be asked you in a theory exam. Thank you.